How to fix error code 16 on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix error code 16 on Windows 10. 1. Update existing device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Run hardware and devices troubleshooter, run msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command in command prompt as admin. 3. Delete upper filters and lower filters keys from registry editor at hkey_local_machine /system/current control set /control /class /36FC9E6065111CF805644553545354000. Reboot your computer. Case study 2, error. Code 16 when tried accessing some domain/website. 4. Resync date and time. 5. Try to reset the affected browser. 6. Temporarily disable firewall and third-party antivirus, like Avast and Average. Furthermore, perform a clean boot to find out the conflicting program. 7. Disable the proxy server. 8. Disconnect your PC from any active VPN server. You may remove the VPN software using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. Plan B, try using the recommended NordVPN to bypass GeoBlock. 9. Try accessing the website from other devices. 10. Install the latest Windows updates. 11. Try using a different web browser. 12. Try using Windows safe mode with networking. 13. Contact your ISP. Case study 3, error 16 when launching some Adobe Creative Cloud application. Go to https://helpex.adobe.com/creative-cloud/kb/configuration-error.html for more info.